Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a checkmark or tick symbol in a PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. This is useful for filling out forms, marking completed items, or reviewing documents digitally. Let's get started. To add a checkmark to a PDF using Foxit PDF Editor, all we need to do is click on Fill and Sign. Once we are here, we can see the option to add a checkmark. We just need to click wherever we want to place it. We can also switch it to an X if we prefer. We can replace the checkmark with an X depending on what works best for us. If we want to use a checkbox instead, we just click the checkbox option and choose where we want to place it. And that is how we add a checkmark or tick symbol to a PDF using Foxit PDF Editor. With this simple method, we can easily mark and complete our documents without printing them.